Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 with an Xbox controller. First, ensure your Xbox controller is connected to your computer before starting the game. Next, open Steam, go to Settings, then Controller, and enable Xbox configuration support. Once in Euro Truck Simulator 2, navigate to the Options menu, select Controls, and choose Gamepad/joystick as your controller subtype. Remember to fine-tune your steering sensitivity and dead zones for a smooth and responsive driving experience. Now, let's get you on the road. The right trigger controls your acceleration, while the left trigger handles braking and reversing. Use the left analog stick for precise steering, guiding your truck through every turn. A quick press of the start button engages the parking brake, perfect for stops, and holding it down will turn your engine on or off. Don't forget to signal your turns with the left and right bumper buttons for safe driving. Beyond the basics, your controller unlocks many advanced truck functions. The Y button lets you cycle through different light modes and activate your high beams with a longer press. For wipers, simply press the X button, and holding it down will engage your cruise control. A quick click of the left analog stick sounds your horn. The D-pad is also incredibly versatile, allowing you to switch camera views and manage trailer coupling or uncoupling. To truly immerse yourself, explore the camera options. The D-pad can switch between interior and chasing views. Clicking the right analog stick helps you manage your route advisor, showing vital navigation information. Don't hesitate to experiment with sensitivity and nonlinearity settings in the game's control menu to find what feels most natural for you. For even more control, some players use modifier buttons, like holding a bumper, to double their available actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.